60-second series, episode number 11. Whopper sandwiches. Alright, I've done Big Macs, 5 in a minute. Let's see how the Whopper of the BK Whopper compares.
Alright, 6 Whoppers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Whop! 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Falling tomato. 40 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess the Whopper's better than the Big Mac.
I got mayonnaise everywhere. It's all over my hands, pants. Alright, well there you have it. That's episode 11 of the series. I took on Whoppers today, and I ate 4, minus a pickle. Morgan's giving me a hard time on the pickle. But 4 Whoppers on the dot in just 60 seconds.